Thanks for joining us here on AccuWeather Early. I'm Bernie Rayno.
And I'm Kristina Shalhoup. Busy day here in the AccuWeather Global Weather Center. We're buzzing this morning. It's like, I don't know, a hive full of bumblebees. Everyone's really getting ready for the storm this weekend.
Yeah, and you know, it's we got this weekend storm. We have the storm after that. A lot going on. All right, let's take you out to the radar here this morning. And I'll tell you what. Thumping snow all the way down into northern Arkansas, around Bentonville, Arkansas this morning. Snowing in Fayetteville. I've seen an inch and a half of snow. I think there's going to be snow also falling in Little Rock for a time this morning. So it shows you with this upper low, we have a lot of energy and cold air. Also, we've been watching heavy rain now east of Houston toward Beaumont, Port Arthur. That's lifting in toward the northeast this weekend.
Now, you've been digging into this storm. I've been digging into the next one, which is currently moving onshore in the northwest. Soaking day for Seattle, down toward Tacoma, all the way to the Portland area, greater Portland area today. And then this weekend, we see more rain and some mountains.
That I've been warning you about since Friday. Now, this storm will smack the northeast and parts of the mid-Atlantic with a winter's first dose of big snow. The storm will bring a combination of snow, ice, rain, and wind that create dangerous travel conditions.
On the heels of that storm is the second one. This is going to be something we watch as we move through early next week. To the north, there's the area of heavy snow, some ice and sleet possible, and really gusty conditions as well. We are concerned about some big snow in the Midwest. And then to the south, there's that potential of severe weather back across the Gulf all the way out to the eastern seaboard here with that warm flow out of the Gulf of Mexico. I'm going to have that in just a few minutes, but first let's start in New York.
Yeah, where it's
3 to 6.
Or it's 3 to 6 if you don't mix.
If you don't mix.
It depends on the storm.
We'll work on it.
Yeah.
We'll make it a franchise.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I'm going to franchise this next storm because this thing has been the center of my attention for days and days and days. All right. Let's do this. We're starting out with your 3 big threats for our next big storm Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this coming week. First is snow. That's where we're looking from the Midwest to the Great Lakes. Second, severe weather, Gulf Coast to the Carolinas. And third, I'm concerned about flooding, southeast and northeast. I'm just going to say it. This is a big storm. It's a big storm, bigger than the one snow at this point. And we're also looking at the B word. Not the one that's going to get me fired. Blizzard. That's what we're concerned about here. It's a very small area, a very finite area, but we are concerned. The blizzard outside. Is it though? This is how you know. Blowing snow or falling snow. Winds of 35 miles per hour or more. Visibility of a quarter mile or less. Did all of that last for 3 hours or longer? If so, you have a blizzard. It's pretty tough to get one of those. It's not like you see them all that often.
3 is, well, it is quiet across the Midwest.
Yeah, what else is new? I don't know where this came from.
I don't know either.
I don't know. Well, let's travel.
Let's go travel here. All right, here we go. Warmth.
That's a shocker.
I want more snow and cold.
Yeah, I'm with you on this one, Bernie, but Ari?
I'm the bottom. I like a balance. It's all about balance. I want a little winter.
I thought you were going to go with the warmth. I'm shocked.
Sure, it's nice, but I do think there's something very nostalgic about the snow, and just now that I have a kid, I think it's more
just
fun.
Here standing here looking dumb.
Oh, sorry, Bernie's over there. Hey, Bernie.
Do you want to talk to us too, Bernie?
No, I'm done. Take it away.
Okay.
That seems fair. This is what happens.
Weird for this time of year. We're in the rainy season.
This is like a hill that I will die on. Because everyone's like, oh, Seattle, it's so rainy. Well, first of all, it's not even as rainy as like Jacksonville, Nashville, Boston.
It's just cloudy.
It's just cloudy. Yeah. And also, it's the wet season. So rain in Seattle, that's pretty normal.
Yeah, and eventually maybe we'll get a little bit of a break from the rain on Sunday, but still the clouds around. So it kind of gives you like the rainy vibes out there.
Ooh, which for winter's not that bad, I suppose.
And this is what Kristina was talking about the historical average. You can take a look at the months, November, December. Cooler temperatures that are going to be making a comeback, sticking around here as we head throughout our weekend. We're talking about travel disruptions from this setup. And again, as I mentioned, things are turning much colder. So snow into the Cascades, snow through the Sierra, and we'll continue to see those snow showers pushing in to the Rockies here as we head into this weekend. We've seen a little bit of that lighter precip moving through southern parts of Idaho into Nevada, into parts of Utah, seeing some of those lighter snow showers, and then a little bit of that light precip earlier in the day, moving across the state of Washington, and some lighter rain showers here through central California over the last couple of hours. But things really start to get going as we head into later today through tonight, and it's going to start from the northwest here. So it's going to be Seattle.